Hi, so today this video is going to be troubleshoot guide video on the Reaper DAW. Okay, actually I have already made one troubleshoot guide video on Reaper, and the topics included are BST plugin, video, and extensions. Yeah, and I have already given the timestamp for each of the topics. Okay, here. So if you are having any problem regarding to any of these topics, you go and watch this video. And this video is the basic troubleshoot guide video. Okay, but today in this video which I'm making now, this video is going to be the Reaper troubleshoot guide video advanced version. Okay, where I'll be talking on how to install and run various Reaper scripts and resources. Okay, here I have a folder where I have various Reaper scripts and resources. You can see I have here various files and folders, and these folders contains the scripts for this particular tool. Okay, and this folder contains Reaper script for this particular tool. Okay, yeah, however these all other individual Reaper scripts here are individual tool. Okay, these all are individual itself. Okay, these all are not for one. Okay, so these are the Reaper scripts, and there is also Python script. Okay, we'll be running Python script in Reaper. Okay, and various other Reaper resources also will be looking at. Okay, like a Reaper project file, a Reaper theme, track template, keymap, a Reaper menu, REASCALE, FXN. Yeah, we'll be looking at all of these topics one by one. Okay, and I have made here short notes so that it can help me to guide to you guys. Okay, so we'll be looking at all of these topics one by one now. Okay, first you download Reaper resources from this website. Okay, you can download various Reaper resources like scripts and Reaper track templates, like all stuffs from this website. Okay, and you also need to download Python. Okay, because we are also running Python script in Reaper DAW. So go to the Python website and download and install the latest version of Python. Okay, so you first download the Reaper resources like scripts or templates or anything like that. Okay, and download Python. Okay, download and install Python. Now let us enter into our troubleshoot guide video now. Okay, this was just the introduction. So first we will be looking at how to install Reaper scripts. Okay, Reaper scripts we'll be looking first, and the Reaper scripts are having these extensions. Okay, EEL, LUA, or PY. Okay, this is the Python script, but we will be running in Reaper. Okay, I'll be showing you then how. And the default location for putting your all of the scripts, okay, individually or folder wise, is this. Okay, this location. So first let us run the Reaper script, but you can see I have a Reaper script here in folder. Okay, and here individual wise. Okay, first I'll be showing you how to install and run the individual script, and second I'll be showing you how to install and run the scripts that comes in folder. Okay, there are many scripts in the folder. Okay, and that all is for one tool. Okay, and these all scripts are their individual scripts themselves. Okay, by different developer. Okay, and this folder script means it's having various scripts. Okay, like this, and we'll be installing all that script from folder. Okay, so first let us look at the individual script. First we'll be looking at the LUA extension Reaper script. Simply copy all of these scripts. Go to option in your Reaper, so Reaper resource path folder. Yeah, go to this scripts folder and simply paste here. Yeah, just remember the name. Okay, so you simply paste your script here. Yeah, now go to the action, so action list. Yeah, and currently if you try to run this script, for example, let us try for this chord gun. You don't see that chord one. Yeah, first you have to load that script. Okay, so for that go to new action. Okay, because in list you are not looking that. Okay, even though you have pasted here in the scripts folder of Reaper. So first let us load that script in Reaper and then run. Okay, first load new load a script. So we were looking at this. Yeah, now the script appears in the action window. Okay, you see I typed chord and this chord gun appeared. Yeah, now it is loaded. Now we'll be running. Hit run. You see the script is now running. Yeah, and the same way we'll be doing for other as well. Okay, first load we already loaded this. Yeah, select all appeared. Okay, now if you want to run which script you can run. Okay, according to your choice. So this is how you install the Reaper script and run your script. Okay, so first you will be copying your individual scripts and putting in the scripts folder of Reaper. Yeah, here from here in this scripts folder like this, and then you'll be loading that scripts from this actions window. Yeah, and after loading you'll be running. Okay, load from here and then the scripts will appear here. Yeah, and then select any script and then run. If you are using MIDI script, then you go in the MIDI editor. Okay. Also, you might need to go in the active MIDI window like this, and action from this active MIDI window. Okay. And one thing I would like to add here, if you are loading and running any script, this section is very important. Okay. Now we are in main. Okay, this main. And suppose if I want to load this script here, yeah, it has loaded. Now I want to run. This script needs an active MIDI editor. Okay, we are in the main window. Okay, not in the MIDI window. Okay, now we have to run this script in the MIDI editor window. Okay. And simply choosing here MIDI editor is not going to happen. Okay, because we are not in the active MIDI editor window. Okay, so for that you go in the active MIDI editor window. Okay, this is the active MIDI window. Yeah, and run action from this active MIDI editor window. Okay, action. This is the main window. Okay, this you can see action, and this is the MIDI editor window. Okay, here also you see action, and some script needs this MIDI editor window action. Okay, here, and again simply load this. Yeah, it came here. Now the run is active. Okay, now hit run, and you can see here in this section MIDI editor came itself. Okay, hit run. Now this script also needs another Reaper resources. Okay, called REASCALE file. Okay, so we have to load the REASCALE file. Yeah, this script has some issue. Okay, here unable to preview nodes. However, this is the method. Okay, to work. You can see the script is running now. Yeah, so these are the method of installing this individual Reaper script. Okay, and we saw a Reaper script of extension .lua. Yeah, now we'll be looking on how to install a Reaper script folder wise. Yeah, okay, now we'll be looking at how to install the Reaper scripts that comes in a folder. Okay, you'll get a zip file and a configuration file. Okay, you can get only the zip file also, but in this case I have two files. Okay, one zip file and another Reaper configuration file. And when you extract this zip file, you'll get this folder. Okay, and all these folders you'll be getting. Okay, and these folders will be having various scripts and various resources. Okay, to run it smoothly. Okay, and we'll be looking in this part how to properly install this Reaper script. And it is same thing. Okay, for Reaper script you'll be going in this location. Okay, and for Reaper configuration file you'll be going in this location. Okay, so let us install this particular script. So first you'll be required to download and install SWS extension. Here I have already installed SWS extension, okay, and I have already made a video on how to download and install the SWS extension in Reaper DAW, okay. I have shown that process in very detail in my old troubleshoot guide video, okay. If you want to see that, just go and watch in my that old video, okay. I'll be giving you the link to the video in the I button. So first you download and install the SWS extension. Now second, you'll be required to copy this script folder, okay, and just paste this in a Reaper scripts folder, okay. Yeah. Now third step. Now simply import that Reaper configuration file, okay. Just go to preference, general, import configuration file. Currently you don't have any configuration file, and I have that configuration file here, yeah. So simply you can copy this configuration file by going in this location, or simply copy from your location and paste from this window, okay, and you can open like this, okay. Hit okay. Import will install 12 files and modify 4 files. I hit import. Reaper is restarting, okay, in my second screen. So now what that Reaper configuration file did was, I'll be showing you that a little later, okay. So first step was you download and install SWS extension. Second step was you copy and paste this retract folder in the Reaper scripts folder. Third step was you import this Reaper configuration file. Now the fourth step, go to this action menu from your project window and just be here in main, and from this section main just import the key map, okay. Now see, you got here these two key maps, okay, and that Reaper configuration file which we imported placed that automatically, okay. We could have copied and pasted this key map manually also, okay, but that configuration file did automatically for us, okay. So this is easy, yeah. So simply import this first, and again import another this, okay. All right, simply close this. Now here are steps, okay, but I'm just showing you in a shortcut way, okay. And now you just install these buttons, okay. So simply you will be required to copy and paste the items that's inside these folders in this location, okay. Yeah, every instruction you'll be given, okay. So simply copy every items in this folder and paste. I had done previously, yeah. So I will replace. Now this. Simply copy and paste. So every buttons are placed properly, okay. And now go to the Reaper and go to toolbar Docker. So this is the toolbar, okay. And go to the last toolbar, yeah, here, and go to customize. Currently you are in toolbar 16, okay. There are various toolbars, okay, here, floating toolbars, yeah, but you are in this toolbar 16, okay. Just be careful, okay. Here 16, and just import, and you simply import this, okay, 16. Now see, you will get here some menu like, yeah, yeah. Again, what just let this window remain here and go to view toolbar Docker, and just right click here. Now switch to toolbar 15, okay, and just select from this customize menus toolbar option. Now 15, floating toolbar, now 15, and again import. Now you will be importing this 15, yeah. Yes, and now go to 14 toolbar, okay. Here it is, toolbar 14. Now go to here also, toolbar 14, and again import. Now 14. Yes, now again go to toolbar 13, import now 13, and now just click here and you'll be getting this. Yeah. So up to here it is completed. Yeah. And yes, you can install this provided font if you like. Okay. Okay, let's install this font. So yes, this is basically how you install some of the complex Reaper uh, tool. Okay, which comes various scripts. Okay, this is a tool and it has various Reaper scripts. Okay, and this is the way. This was a little bit complex, so I decided to show you. Other are simple. Okay, either you can run these scripts from this menu, yeah, from this toolbar menu, all these menus, yeah, or from action. Okay, so yes, this is basically how you set up some of the complex Reaper scripts, yeah, and you can run that Reaper script. Okay, or a tool that contains collection of many script. Okay, in this our particular case, you can run that scripts from this action, yeah, and just select that particular tool script. Okay, in this filter section with either this keyword or this keyword. Okay, and you can choose and run, or you can directly run from this menu. Okay, this toolbar menu. Okay, yeah, and you just need to import this configuration file. Okay, this is having some issue, so this, okay, when I imported this, everything worked fine. Okay, and to simply use the script, you simply open the toolbar which you like. Okay, for example, I'm opening this toolbar 13, yeah, and suppose if my this snapping was off, yeah, and this can be in any key. Okay, but if I want in a particular key, okay, here is snap MIDI to scale feature. Okay, and just notice this when I use, okay, snap MIDI scale to key. Now in the key of what, C major, yeah, it is snapped, yeah. So like that you can use this script. Okay, so it's saying that we have to copy this folder and put in the scripts folder and then load. Yeah, okay, I already copied. Now I will be pasting in the scripts folder. So here I have copied it, and mm, let us go and load the rescript of supported file, yeah, ELUA py means Python, okay? So select all and open. The load is complete. Now you have to run. Now which script you want to run? You can run, okay? Now after testing it, you can see the name, okay? Here, and soft for that. And you can see retract script is there, okay? Simply run and it will appear here. All retract scripts, yeah? Look, some script will work from the actions of main window, okay, and some from the actions of this MIDI editor window, okay. Just know that. So this retract is working from the action of main window, yeah, but this is not working from the action of main window, yeah. It needs active MIDI editor window, okay, and from the action of active editor MIDI window here, yeah, which I already have shown you. So we now saw how to install folder wise also, okay, and you can see here in this folder I have some Reaper scripts, yeah, and I want to load and run this script. So for that simply first copy it and paste here. In the script folder, okay, yeah, here. Now first load and then run. So here, yeah, you can see this scheme, okay, and if you are having two, this is not working and this is working, yeah. So here you can see here, so this is simply working for us, yeah. Some will work and some will not, okay, which will work from that. So this appeared from our main window action. Now let us try from this. Yeah, it's running, yeah, and which it's not running, you just remove that, okay, and if any script doesn't work, then you can simply delete that, yeah, it's deleted, yeah. So we saw how to install Reaper scripts, okay, folder wise or individual wise, and the script extension were LUA or EEL, okay. Here we have EEL, yeah. Now let us look at the Python script. Now for running the Python script, there is little bit setup you have to do, okay. Go in the preference and go in the rescript section, and from there you just enable this Python. Okay, enable Python for use with a REASCALE. Okay, you can download Python from here also. Okay, and you can see here Python 39.dll is installed. The Reaper may not identify your Python version. Okay, my didn't, and for that you have to put the location where you have installed your Python. Okay, and the Python DLL file, you have to specify that file. Okay, now here in this location I have my Python installed. Okay, here I have installed my Python. It's like this. Python, yeah, programs, Python 39, and in this folder I have my Python installed, where the Python main DLL file is present. Yeah, you have to specify that folder here. Okay, and you have to specify that file name in particular. Okay, this. So for that, simply copy and paste this full file name. Okay, file name with the extension information. Copy and paste here. Okay, and hit apply and okay. So after that, your Python will be recognized and everything will be fine. Okay, so to install the Python script, first you have to copy the Python script and paste in the script folder of Reaper. Obviously, from here the options, here, and scripts, simply paste here. Okay, here I have. Now go to action and run this script, REASCALE and go in this. Okay, don't go in any other. Run REASCALE, simple. Now we have the option to load EEL, LUA and PY Python. Yeah, and here we have our Python script. You see, we have successfully run the Python script via REASCALE in our Reaper DAW. Okay, or you can also do in our old method. You can also do this way, as we have already copied the Python script and pasted in the scripts folder of Reaper. Okay, now we'll first load. Now it will appear here. Yeah, and then run. Okay, both way it will work. Okay, so we saw how to install the Reaper scripts. Okay, with extension EEL, LUA and PY. Okay, PY means Python. Okay, okay, we have already talked on how to download, install and run the Reaper scripts. Yeah, and some are easy and some requires a little bit extra work. Okay, and all the instructions will be provided in these scripts. Okay, while you download. Okay, so don't worry, simply follow step by step and you will be good to go. This video simply shows you the basic way of loading and running the script in the Reaper DAW. Okay. Okay, here I would like to show you one thing. Okay, it's important. Okay, so here you can see I have here my project window and here my MIDI editor window. Yeah, and the project window as well as the MIDI editor window has actions menu. Okay, this action for this main project window and this action for this MIDI editor window. Okay, now recently I deleted every my scripts. Okay, there is no third party scripts. Okay, only Reaper native. Okay, so I'll be putting here one script. Okay, just for showing you one example. Okay, and let me install this script. So simply copy and paste. Yeah, so this is the installation. Yeah, now you have to load from action menu. Okay, so two action menu you have. Okay, in two place, in project window and MIDI editor window. Let us go first in project window action menu. Okay, let us go there and load that script. All these scripts I have already deleted. Okay, but I thought a Reaper was smart enough to recognize that my delete of those script, but it's still showing the old script. Okay, anyways, let us load our that recently put script. Okay, so this, yeah, it came here. Even if you missed, you can simply type here chord code and you can get from the list. Okay, here. Yeah, so simply you can run, it will run. Okay, because it has been installed, loaded, now it is ready to run. Yeah, the script is working. Now I want to run that script from this window, this MIDI editor window. Okay, I go to action, so action list. Now if I search there chord code, I don't get that script. Okay, because I have loaded that script in the action of this project window. Okay, not from this window. Okay, I have to load that script from the action of this window as well. Okay, to run for this window. So now let us load that script from this MIDI editor action. Now it came here, and even if you miss, you can simply type chord and let us search again. Oh yes, it is available now. Yeah, and simply run. Now the script is running. Yeah, so it also depends on from which action window you loaded the script. Okay, if you loaded the script from this project window action menu, then only from the project window action menu that script will be shown. Okay, and if you loaded the script from the action menu of MIDI window, then that script will be shown only in this. Okay, it works separately. Okay, once you load doesn't mean that if you load in this project you will be seeing that script in this MIDI window as well. Okay, we have to load separately. Okay, and there are some scripts that loads directly in your project window, and some requires your MIDI window, active MIDI window. Okay, by active MIDI window I mean this active MIDI window. Okay, only changing this section to MIDI editor will not work. Okay, you have to be in this active MIDI window, and from this active MIDI window action you will be in the MIDI editor section automatically. Okay, and from the action menu of this project window you will be in the main section. Okay, automatically. Yeah, the action options are available for these sections. Okay, and the action run command for one section will not be applied to another. Okay, they are all individual. Okay, the action for one section is for only that section. Okay, like that. Okay, now let us look at how to install the Reaper project template. Okay, here I have a Reaper project file. Okay, it's the project template. Okay, and simply copy this. Okay, and you have to put your Reaper project templates in this folder. Okay, the location, yeah, and the Reaper will instantly recognize. Okay, currently if I go here in the project templates, you don't see any project template. Okay, now I will be copying these two project template and I'll be pasting in this location. Okay, project templates. Now Reaper will instantly recognize that project template file. Okay, no need to restart. Project templates and these two. Yeah, these two. Let us open that template. This is a very good template. So in this way you can download and install Reaper project template. Yeah, and the Reaper project template format extension will be RPP, capital or small. Okay, RPP, both, it can be both, it doesn't matter. Okay, now we'll be looking at how to create project template. Yeah, our own project template. Before we saw how to use already created project template. Okay, but now we'll be creating ourselves. Now you see I have one project here and I have here some tracks set up, yeah. And if I'm using for some other project also same this uh, track setup, then simply I can save this project as a project template, okay, for using other project as well, yeah, so that I don't have to make all these tracks arrangement, put fx and do all the routing, okay. That's a lot of headache to do okay. And if you save this project as a project template, then all the information like your effects, routing, like that, everything will be saved, yeah. For that, go to project and project templates and save project as template. You see here to project template which we had previously downloaded, yeah, and I have already shown you. So go to here now, save project as template, yeah. This to our project, we downloaded this two project, yeah, but now we are making ourselves. You can simply save this project, yeah, or you can save in folder, okay. This helps to categorize, okay, so that you can know better if you have some work of similar nature, okay. So here I'm making folder one and I'll be saving there. Now I will open that, okay. Project templates, but we are not seeing that folder, yeah. Now let us restart this Reaper. And let us see again. Still not, okay. So what you can do here is so in this project template case, the folder system didn't work, yeah. Now we'll be saving again without making folder, and let's see. Okay, simply here I'll be saving, okay. And simply new project. Now let's see. Now B, yeah. So in project template case, the folder system is not working, okay. So simply if you select this B, you have your project, okay. You delete all that. You can make this project templates by deleting all these MIDI item, okay, so that you will get empty project, yeah. But anyways, and if you are working now, yeah, now you want to save your project. Now go in project save as, okay, not in direct save because you'll be overwriting your template, okay. Because the project template means basically a Reaper saved project file, yeah. So you will be going in this save project as and creating another project file, okay. And for using in another project, this project template will be still in fresh condition, okay. And if you want to copy all of your project templates and make backup, then your project templates will be in this location, okay. simply replace this user with your username. Okay, okay, now let us look at Reaper track template. Yeah, and Reaper track templates will be in this folder. Okay, so simply copy your downloaded Reaper track uh, templates in uh, this folder. Okay, currently if you go here, install track from template, there is no track templates. Okay, now let us install our downloaded track template. Okay, this. So first you need to go in this location and just paste that track template. Okay, currently there is nothing in this folder. Now I'll be pasting this. Okay, here. Now the Reaper will instantly know that. Yeah, this now we have successfully installed our downloaded track template. Okay, and let us run that. So we got these two tracks here, and you can work. Yeah, and if you want to delete them, you can delete. Yeah, and of course you can make your own track templates as well. Okay, for example, here I have this tracks setup, and I can make even more. Okay, but I want to save only this folder track. Okay, as a track template. Okay, so for that I can select my folder track, or even I can select more tracks by holding shift. Okay, but I don't want in this case. I want only this folder track. Okay, this folder track consists of these two tracks. Yeah, so let us make a track template of only this folder track. For that, go to track and go to here, save tracks as track template. This was what we downloaded. Now we are creating ourselves. Let us give name A, and even you can make folder for that. Okay, you can save it directly now. Yeah, but you can categorize it and make folder as well. Okay, for example, I'll give name folder name 1, and I will save here. Yeah, and you can see here there are two options. Okay, include track items in template, include envelopes in template. We simply want this track information. Okay, like what effects it has and what routing it has, like that. Okay, not what item it holds. Okay, nothing like that, or its envelope property. Okay, because that will be on individual basis. Okay, individual project, individual envelope. Okay, but the track can be used for many project. Okay, so simply I will be saving. Yeah, now you can see here. Yeah, folder 1 we have template area, and this was our downloaded track template. Okay, and it doesn't have any folder, so it is just open. Yeah, but here this is folder and this is our track template. Yeah, so if I delete everything and go to track, uh, insert track from template and choose this, or simply right click and insert and track from template one. Yeah, I got my tracks. Yeah, so this is how we manually create our track template, and of course you can back up your track templates. Yeah, simply your track templates will be in this folder. Okay, simply replace this user with your username, and this folder will have all of your track templates. Now we'll be looking at Reaper theme, and for theme we have to go in this location. Okay, and simply paste our theme. Currently if I go here in theme, uh, just take note of this theme. Okay, these are all default. Okay, now I'll be adding another theme. Okay, just go in this location first and copy your theme in that location. Okay, now I'll be copying this theme. Yeah, now Reaper will instantly know that. Okay, no need to restart this. Yeah, and to select it, just click. You see the theme has changed now, and to go back again, just go here and go to default. Yeah, okay, now let us look at this Reaper keymap file and Reaper mini file. Let us look them together. Okay, because here is a case where I want to add some uh, extra context menu. Okay, by context menu I mean when you right click mouse you get various uh, options. Okay, menus. This means a context menu. Okay, and I want to have some additional context menu when I right click in this MIDI tech window. Okay, now let us add those context menu with the help of this file. Okay, Reaper menu, and let us also install the Reaper keymap file for that context menu. Okay, so first simply look the location, Reaper context menu. This is in this location. Okay, so simply go to that location and paste this Reaper menu file. before pasting, just look at this menu, and I will be showing you after pasting menu search. Yeah, and simply go to the customizing toolbar option and select and go to this MIDI piano roll context. Yeah, this is the piano roll. Yeah, and we want context menu in the piano roll. Import. It's imported. Yeah, simply close now. And now you install this Reaper keymap file. For that, go in this location and simply copy and paste. Yeah. Now simply go in action and this section should be MIDI editor. Okay, and import that keymap. This. Yeah, it's done. Okay, now if you right click, you get these options. Yeah, the context menu here in your MIDI editor is increased. Yeah, now let us look at the installation of this REASCALE file. For this, you go here in either of these location. Okay, let me go here. And simply paste in that root folder. Okay, yeah, simply paste. Now go to your MIDI tech window, and you already have those skills loaded for you. Okay, you could have also chosen to load from here. Okay, here and this same thing. Okay, now let us look at this FX scene. Okay, and for that we have to go in this location. Yeah, so simply first go there, currently no FX scenes are available. Yeah, and you can see that from here as well. No. Okay, so you simply copy and paste, and you will be seeing this in the list. Okay, now if I go here, right click, FX scene, load, and now you'll be looking that. Yeah, and all the effects will be applied automatically. Okay, you can also put your FX scene by right clicking here, FX scene, and currently we only have this. Yeah, but let us make some our own FX scene. Okay, here this is the old. Okay, let me make new. It doesn't matter. Okay, anything I'll put. Okay, I don't do properly. Okay, I'm just showing as an example. Okay, so these are my some of the effects. Okay, and I want to save this as FX scene. Okay, for later use. Right click, FX scenes, and save all the effects as scene. Yeah, save all the effects as scene. Yeah, so I'll be selecting this option. Okay, and I will be renaming it as 1. Okay, but I want to keep this FX scene in a separate group. Okay, which helps me to identify for similar work. Okay, so for here I will make a folder and let me rename A, and I'll be putting this my FX scene in that folder. So let me remove this. Now if I add FX scene load, I will be getting that folder. Okay, and I can select from there. This was not in the folder. Okay, so this is outside. So you can put in folder also or outside also. Okay, doesn't matter. Making folder will classify your FX. Okay, for easy making folder will helps you to classify your FX more easily. Okay, and similarly from here right click, FX in folder name. Yeah, A, and in this folder I have this FX scene. Yeah, and this was not in the folder, outside, so it's outside. So let me go here. These were the FX plugins that I had put here, so it's appearing now. So this is the information about FX scene. Yeah, and just notice that FX scene is here. Yeah, the folder is already created, and inside that folder I have my FX scene. Yeah, which we had created from this window. Yeah, so anything you do here and save will be present here, or just the opposite. Okay, you put here something and it will appear here. Okay, if you load it. Yeah, so yes, these were some of the information which I thought to make video of, because it might help you, and because they might sound a little bit confusing. Yeah, so this video might give you some idea. Okay, and will obviously solve the issue. Okay, which I have already shown you here. So yes, this is how you install your Reaper scripts and various Reaper resources. Okay, so bye for now.